AKBA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Akebia Therapeutics stock, I know it's like $2.07, 7.25% up. Generally speaking, the only thing that I'm waiting for is the price actually giving me a proper double break in order for me to take things up. Context, I've done 35,000 videos, you know. The only guy that can say this, only stocks over the last 4 years every single day. And generally speaking, let me show you the proof, show proof over promise of me actually calling this thing out when it was low. AKBA. So look, like this video, for example, was made like 14th of January, and it was like 5 days ago.
Because like
that's when it really began.
Be it, you know, and stuff. It's obviously not financial.
Since then, we expanded from here on. Coming in on Tuesday, obviously, like I'm looking to double down on this. I like the market cap. You know, I understand it's a penny stock. There's a lot of pumps and dumps involved, but generally speaking, as long as the price retraces quite fine and gives me the shift of my confirmations and whatnot, then and only then I'm taking to take things up. But obviously, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. This is not financial advice. And in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. That's about it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.